Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise which is Hero's formula. Now today, in today's class we are going to discuss about a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise which is what volume, surface area and volumes. Dear students, in that chapter first we are going to discuss a very important concept formula related to cylinder, right circular cylinder. First of all, we take the right circular cylinder. Okay, we discuss about the right circular cylinder. Dear student, this is a very important topic figure related to that chapter. So let's see. This is the shape of the right circular cylinder in this way. Let's see here. This is the form of a right circular cylinder. Okay, in which this is the height of your cylinder and this is the radius of its base. Okay, this is the right circular cylinder, dear students. Now, related to cylinder, there are so many important formula related to them. Now, first of all, we discuss about the curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to pi r. This is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder, and the total surface area of cylinder is what? The formula for the total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus pi r square, and we take pi r as common. Sorry. The curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Okay? And the total surface area of cylinder is its curved surface area 2 pi r h plus area of its two circular bases 2 pi r square. Laws of resistance, you know that the base of the cylinder is circular in form, so their area will be what? Pi r square. So here we write 2 pi r square, here we take 2 pi r as common, so in bracket we get h plus r. This is the curved surface area, this is the total surface area of the cylinder, and volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square into h. So these are some important formula related to right circular cylinder. Okay, but there's if in question we have the hollow cylinder, then in the case of hollow cylinder, little bit change in the formula in volume. Let's see, volume of a hollow cylinder, volume of hollow cylinder is what? External pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Here pi h r is common, so we get r square into capital R square minus small r square. Here capital R with the external external radius of the hollow cylinder, and r with the inner radius. Here r is what? Capital R is what? External radius, and small r is what? Inner radius of the hollow cylinder. Okay, of the hollow cylinder. So these are the very important concept related to hollow cylinder. Now, dear students, we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on cylinder. Before going to discuss about some questions based on cylinder, first of all we discuss two more important figures related to solid related to that chapter. First one is what? Cone. Second one is what? Sphere. Now let's see some formula of cone and as well as sphere. Let's see. Now we are going to discuss about the right circular cone. right circular cone. This is the shape of the right circular cone in this way. Let's see. In the shape of the birthday cone, etc. This is, suppose that here ABC is a cone and AO is the center of the base of the cone, and okay, now here OA is the height of the cone. Suppose that this is the height of the cone, this is the radius of the base of the cone, and this is your the slant height of the cone. So these are the very important concept related to cone. Okay, in cone there are so important formula related to cone, like as first is what, curved surface area of cone. Dear student, the curved surface area of cone is what? Pi RL. This is the formula for the curved surface area, curved surface area of the cone. Similarly, the formula for the total surface area of cone is what? Pi RL means its curved surface area plus area of its base. Dear student, in the case of cone, the base of the cone is circular in shape. So the area of the circle is pi r square. So here we get pi plus pi r square. So here we take pi r as common, so we get L plus R. This is the formula for the total surface area of the cone. Now, the next important formula of cone is what? Volume of the cone. Let's see. Volume of the cone is what? Pi r square is pi r 1 by 3 pi r square. This is the formula for the volume of the right circular cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so these are some important formula related to cone. Okay, dear friends, let's see once more time. This is your curved surface area of the cone. Here pi RL. Here L is the slant height of the cone. R is the radius of its base, and the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So these are some important formula related to cone. Now, a very most important relationship between slant height and radius of the base of the cone is what? Because of, you know that here AOC is a right angle at O. So this is the triangle AOC is a right angle triangle. Now in the right angle triangle we apply the Pythagoras property. So we get what? Hypotenuse. The whole side of the 90 degree is what? Hypotenuse. Though here slant height is its hypotenuse of the triangle, and h is perpendicular, and radius, this is your base. So we know that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of its height and its base. So let's see, a very important relationship between LH and R is what? LH and R is what? L square is equal to h square plus R square. The square of slant height is equal to the sum of the square of its height, sum of the square of its radius of the base of the cone. This is a very important relationship between L, H and R. So from there the value of h square is equal to L square minus R square, as well as the value of R square from there is what? L square minus h square. So these are the very important concepts related to that figure cone. Okay, now we are going to discuss some important concept related to a sphere. Let's see. Now we are going to discuss a very important concept related to a sphere. Let's see. Dear friend, a sphere, like we discuss a solid sphere in this way. Suppose that this is the sphere here, okay, and let us consider R is the radius of the sphere. Okay. Now, first formula is related to sphere is surface area. Surface area of the sphere is what? 4 pi r square. Second formula is volume of Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for the volume of the sphere. Okay. In the case of hemisphere, cut surface area of hemisphere is what? Cut surface area of hemisphere is what? 4 pi r square by 2 means 2 to the 4, that is 2 pi r square. Okay. This is the cut surface area of the hemisphere. But if the surface area is cut from the middle, then in that condition the total surface area of hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r, because of 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. If the hemisphere is cut from the middle, then the top portion is known as is a form of the circle, and then in that condition the area is what? Pi r square. So we add pi r square. So total surface area of hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square plus area of the top. Area of the circle is just pi r square. So we take pi r square is common. So we take as 2 pi r square. This is 3 pi r square. This is the total surface area of the hemisphere. Okay. And the volume of the hemisphere, third one is what? Volume of hemisphere is what? We divided by 2, so we get 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, listen. So these are the very important formula related to. Now in this way we discuss about the formula related to cylinder, related to cone, related to sphere. Now dear friends, we are going to take some important questions based on these solid shapes. Okay, let's see dear students. These solution. Now we take first question. The circumference of the base of cylinder the circumference of the base of a cylinder the circumference of the base of the cylinder is 132 centimeter, and its height 25 centimeter, and its height 25 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, your question is find the volume of the cylinder. Let's see its solution. Therefore, in that question, first of all, here the circumference of the base of the cylinder is given. In finding the volume of the cylinder, we know that the formula for the volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square. So we first of all we have the radius and the height of the cylinder. After that we find its volume. So let's see. Let r be the cylinder of the. Let r be the. First of all we take let r be the radius of its base of the cylinder. Radius of its base of the cylinder. Then its circumference of its base. Then its circumference. The base of the circle, this is 2 pi r. This is the 2 pi r, na? Yes. And 2 pi r square and circumference is given as 132. That is 2 pi r is equal to 132. Now we put the value of pi, and after solving we get the we find the radius of the this. Let's see. So from there we get r is equal to 132 upon 2 into pi. So we get 132 upon 2 into 22 upon 7. Okay. Now r is equal to, this is cancelled with 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay. So 66 into 7 upon 22. 11 2s are, okay, 11 2s are, 11 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 7 21. So the value of radius of the base of the cylinder is 21 centimeter. In this way, first of all we find the radius of the base of the cylinder, which is what, r is equal to 21 centimeter, and the height is already given as what, 25 centimeter. Okay, and the height of cylinder, that is h is equal to what, this is 25 centimeter. Okay, that is what we find. We find the volume of the cylinder, that is volume of the volume of the cylinder is what, pi r square, h means 22 upon 7, and r square means what, 21 into 21 into h means what, 25. 7 3 the 21, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 into 21 into 25. Reaction after multiplying them, we get what, 34,650 centimeter cube. So these are our required solution of the given question. Okay, thus dear student, this is the process to solve the question based on the cylinder. Okay, so in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the cylinder. Okay, now dear student, we take some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on cylinder. Let's see. Now let's see our question. The question is, the radius and height of a cylinder, the radius and height of a cylinder. Okay, the radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio are in the ratio 5:7. 5:7. Okay, and its volume is and its volume is 550 centimeter cube. 550 centimeter cube. Okay, find its radius. Find its radius. Okay, take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. Now let's see. This is also a very important question of your NCERT exercise. So let's see its solution. Okay, let's see. First of all, what is the given? What is the given value? Just in that question, volume of the cylinder is given. Volume of cylinder is what? 550 centimeter cube. Okay, and the ratio of the radius and the ratio of the radius and height of the cylinder are given in the form of 5:7. So first of all, let's see. Let us consider the radius let us consider the radius and height are in the ratio 5x and 7x respectively. Okay. Now let us consider the radius and the height are in the ratio 5x and 7x respectively. Then the volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square into h. Pi r square into this is the formula for the volume of the cylinder. Now we put the value of r, h and its volume. After solving we get the value of x. Okay, let's see. And this is equal to r pi as 22 upon 7 into r square. The radius is what? 5x. This is 5x square. H is what? 7x is equal to volume is what? 550. Okay. Now we put each and every value in the formula. Now we get what? Let's see. 22 upon 7 into 5 5 25 into x square into 7 into x is equal to 550. Okay. Now the value of x square into x, this is x cube is equal to 7550 upon 22 into 25 into 7. Okay, now let's see. 11 to the 11 5 the. This is 50. Okay, this is 25. 25 cancel each other, so we get 7 upon 7, that is 1. Thus the value of x cube is equal to 1 and we can write x is equal to 1. So the value of x is there, what? The value of x is what? 1. Okay. Now in this way we get the value of x as 1. Now what I do, we find what? We find its radius. Thus the radius will be thus the radius will be what? Thus the radius will be, we take the radius as what? 5x. So radius will be what? 5x, that is 5 into 1, that is 5 centimeter. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, based on cone, based on, dear students, cone. Okay, let's see, dear student, let's see its solution. Now we take some question based on cone. Let's see. The question is the radius and slant height. Question different. The radius and slant height of a cone are in the ratio of 4:7. If its curved surface area is 792 centimeters square, find its radius. Find its radius, and we take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. Okay, this is the question here. Now let's see its solution, dear students. In that question, what is the given? We find what? Find the radius of the cone. Okay, and in that question, first of all, we here the radius and the ratio of the radius and its length height of the cone are given as the ratio 4:7, and its per surface area is 792. Yes, 792. So find its radius. This is also very important question. Let's see its solution. First of all, let us consider. Let us consider the radius. Let us consider the radius and slant height of the cone are in the ratio what? Sorry, are what? 4x and 7x respectively. Okay, then its curved surface area is what? Pi r into l. This is the formula. This is the formula for the curved surface area of the cone. Now from there we put the value of the curved surface area of the cone, which is given in our question, and we put the value of pi, which is given as our question, the value of r as 4x and the slant height as 7x, and after solving them we get first of all the value of x. Let's see. So we get as 22 upon 7 into the value of r as 4x into the value of l as what? 7x is equal to curved surface area is what? 792. Okay, let's see. 7 cancel to each other. 7 cancel, so we get what? 22 into 4 into x square is equal to 792. Thus the value of x square is what? 792 upon 22 into 4. Let's see. 11 to the 11 7 the 77, carry 2. This is 2. This is what? 2 3 the 6, 2 3 the 6, 12, 2 6 12. So we get 4 9 the. So the value of x square as what? The value of x square is what? 9. The value of x square is 9. Thus the value of x is under root 9, that is 3. Thus the value of x is what? 3. Thus dear students, let's see. The value of x is what? 3 now. Thus what we find? We find the radius. Thus radius will be what? 4x. This is 4 into 3. 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12 centimeter. No? This is okay. 12 centimeter. Thus, in this way, dear friends, we find the radius of the base of the cone is what? 12 centimeter. Okay. Thus, dear student, in this way, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Please learn all the formula of that chapter. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Okay, so first revise all the questions. After that, you complete your NCERT exercise. So dear students, first you will learn all the formula related to cylinder, related to cone, related to sphere. Okay, then you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Thank you. So please revise all the topics which we discussed in that class. Now in next class we take and solve some other question of your NCERT exercise. Thank you.